Today, I'll show you how to view Jira ticket history. Jira ticket history lets you see what changed on an issue over time. This can include status changes, comments, assignee updates, priority changes, due date edits, field changes, and workflow transitions. First, open Jira and log into your account. Now go to the project where the ticket is located. You can find the ticket from the project board, backlog, issue list, or by using the search bar at the top. Open the ticket you want to review. Once the ticket opens, scroll down to the activity area. In many Jira layouts, this section appears near the bottom of the issue view. Look for tabs such as Comments, History, Work Log, or Activity. Click History. Jira will now show a timeline of changes made to that ticket. Here you can see what was changed, who made the change, and when it happened. For example, you may see that the ticket moved from to do to in progress. The assignee was changed, the priority was updated, or a field value was edited. If you do not see a separate history tab, open the activity dropdown and select history from the available options. In some Jira versions, history is grouped under all activity, so you may need to filter the activity feed. If you want to track comments only, choose the Comments tab. If you want to see logged time, choose Work Log. For a more detailed audit trail, project admins can also check Jira audit logs, depending on permissions and plan settings. If the history section is missing, you may not have permission to view it, or the issue layout may be customized by your Jira admin. And that's it. You now know how to view Jira ticket history. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.